Hi everyone, this is King IV and this is Introduction to Excel Basics. In today's lessons, we'll be covering up lookup/comparison formulas. So these are particularly important because they allow you to complement and combine two data sets together. So let's take a look here. So we have the Excel Basics tab. So let's just go to View, Freeze Panes, freeze the top row. And then you'll see right here, we'll do the same for when we go to the Regions tab, /worksheet. What you'll see here is that we have the various regions, and then we have the various regions here. But what we don't have is the various locations, but we don't have the region. And I'd like that data set in my data worksheet. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use a function called Vlookup. So in this case, what we're going to do here is we're going to go Vlookup. And with Vlookup, there are four components to this. The first one is what's the value you want to look up. So in this case, I want to look up Toronto region, and I want to look up the table array, which is basically what's the section you want to look up. I want to look up columns A to B, or I could have highlighted it here. And then I basically want to, in this case, I'm just going to go A to B. They ask you what index number do you want to look at. So right now, what's going to happen is it's going to find Toronto region right at the top, and look, I want it to return the second column, which is column 2. And then we're going to put false. So false is an exact match, true is a approximate match. So it's very rare that you would actually use true. So then you go there. Now you just go to this bottom right hand corner, and then you'll see the various regions have now been populated. So that's Vlookups for you. So very straightforward and useful function. The second function I'm going to show you, and the final one, is this function called match. So match is similar. So what match is going to do is it's going to ask you for your lookup value again. So in this case, Toronto region. And it's going to ask you what your lookup array is. So in this case, I want it to look in column A on the regions tab. And then it's going to ask you what kind of match do you want. I want an exact match. And then you're just going to drag the formula down. So what this does here is that it returns the row in which in the table array, the section that you're looking for, that the value exists. So in this case, Toronto region exists on the second column, while, for example, Lanark County exists on the 14th row in theory. So this is very useful to discover the location that the data exists within the second table set. So that's Vlookups, match functions, super important to know and to use and apply to really join multiple data sets together. Thank you, and have a good rest of the day.